Hello viewers, how are you all doing? Thank you so much for tuning into Latu's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing Independence Day special recipe, this Semolina tricolor cake. This a very simple cake this, yes, but to make this special we've used a sort of flavor, a very great flavor, this to make this cake very special. Let's see in detail. Before that, let's first welcome everyone to Latu's Kitchen. First time visitor here, not to forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell too after subscribing to the channel. Straight away get started how to make this beautiful tricolor cake. Oil followed by curd. Give it a good whisk. The measurement I will give it in the description, you may want to refer. The oil along with the curd to be combined well together, so use a good whisk and give it a good whisk. Once it is whisked, we will add straight away semolina, that is rava, suji. You may want to just give it a little grind onto your mixer rather than straight away adding. Followed by sugar goes in, save it well. Yes, you can add the powdered sugar directly onto the curd mix, but I'm doing this way. Once the suji and the powdered sugar is added, combine well all together. We will add some milk to loosen this up. Before that, a soda, a great flavor. They have all flavor. I personally love their vanilla. It's too good. Just a drop. It will take your cake to a different world. You got to try that. Then you know what I'm talking about. For the colors, I'm using natural colors only. We will see that. I've used for the green color basil, sweet basil, just a drop of green. That is actually optional. I have grinded the basil without water and I have taken the extract of it. Now this suji mixture, we are going to, after adding the milk, mixed it well, we are going to divide that into 3 portions, so that we will add green, that is sweet basil extract, and for the orange I'm using here grated carrots. I'm not taking the juice of it, I'm directly adding the grated carrots to get an orange color. Yes, divide the batter into 3 like this, and then go ahead and add your natural colors. Definitely will do no harm. If there are elders too in our family, they do want to have a bite of the cake, these colors, and of course for kids, artificial colors is not good, so try to use the natural colors as much as you can, especially in this pandemic time. Why to take chances? Let's use the natural way, especially in food. If you find the batter is thick, add a little bit of milk to loosen it up. Give it a mix. Keep all the 3 colors ready. We are not adding at this point baking soda. Towards the end, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, divide that into 3 portions and then add into each bowl and mix it well. Now take, of course, your greased tin ready. Assuming you have already greased your tin with a butter paper or just with the butter and dusted with some flour. Pour in the batter the way you want it. You can even try the marble cake way, but I'm just adding one by one, the green followed by white, and then on top the orange goes in. Then I try to get some shape to it. I couldn't achieve, but that's fine. Once it is baked, I'm going to anyways cut that, and your tricolors are going to be visible in this cake. So preheat the oven to 10 minutes at 180 or 200 depending upon your oven. My oven, usually I bake it at 200 degree for 10 minutes preheat, and I bake it for cakes 30 to 35 minutes, breads 40 minutes. Then once it is cooled down, then cut it into slices and you can enjoy. Like I said, this Independence Day, let's make this cake and enjoy with everyone, even with elders who can have a bite of this cake, as it is completely the ingredients used are natural, absolute, there is no chemical and there is no maida. We've used a suji, which is good compared to maida. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for tuning into Latu's Kitchen. I'll be seeing you back with yet another recipe. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.